come around the backside of this SLG78 here, and I want you to come around and take a look at the suspension that we have on this new model for 218, 219. We've created a duplexed coil system on the 78 machine, which gives you twice as much of deck compression for the tilting screen deck. So you actually have that ability with your machine. You can come in, lay your bucket on the top, and literally compress that screen deck down and change that deck slope. Flatter slope, the material travels slower across the deck. Steeper slope, it will move faster. Steeper slope is great if you're wanting to screen very high moisture materials, and obviously the drier the material, be it gravel or sand or soil, the flatter slope then will give it more time on the screen deck. One of the big benefits to the SLG designs is that we've created a screen deck that's actually wider than the bucket that's feeding the screener. And that's really important for two reasons. Is when you pour the material on there, it allows it to spread out and use 100% of the width of the screen deck. The other part of that is vision. If you're sitting in your machine, you can see the entire underside of that screen deck and what's happening. So when you come in and lay your bucket on the top, you can literally see the material coming out of your bucket, coming out onto the screen deck, and then you decide the slope that you want by lifting your boom up or down to watch that material as it's traveling over the screen deck. The suspension system here, it only has 2 greasable points on the entire machine. It's basically a maintenance-free machine. It has 1 grease nipple here, and it has another grease nipple over here. Those are the only 2 points on the machine that need servicing or grease. The suspension system in here, you'll see that there's a solid steel tube that travels through the insides of these coils, and there's also some nylon bushings that keep the coils centered to that shaft so that nothing touches. That way it just, as you can see as I compress it, you can see how the action of that screener works. It's very, very simple, and it's very, very low maintenance.